No black man in this time, them think themselves cheap.
You know, this song
told about his reality at the time.
Because
man said mother hustle on a princess street.
And him only go school 2 days a week.
2 days a week.
Yeah, amazing.
Man proud himself for school.
But he in retrospect, you can't knock it.
You can't fault him.
But at the time when he did this song, I don't think this song really made much of an impact in the business. But Josie Wales heard the song and decided that this youth have talent and basically took him under his wings. Ultimately introducing him to
King Jammies.
King Jammies. And Jammies listening, realizing that the ability, the talent is there, and decided to think. Shabba at the same time is now experimenting, trying to find his own way, and then he figured out the slackness thing clearly, man, the sound system.
But before the slackness thing, and again, as I said before, the influences was like General Echo, who was the godfather of slackness. He did a song which Red Dragon did had a more popular version, but Shabba Ranks did the original Fresh, 1987. So yeah, Richie, Whole Fresh, that was the original one. Red Dragon did a copy.
But you know, we talked about this multiple times over. The Whole Fresh thing was an indication or a representation of a particular experience coming out of those communities. Running water was not as present in most communities.
You had one standpipe.
I'd have a standpipe, or you have in a community yard where you have a community bathroom with 20, 30 man have to line up for bathe. So bathing is at a premium, and especially when the water lock off, you have to go carry some water. So the thing about this is
6-inch block.
Yeah, and this is what the song was about. It was really a representation of a particular experience.
Yeah. And you tidy during the week and you hold a fresh on Sunday.
Up. No, they usually think, but as him said, take up your rag and take up your soap and go and go hold a fresh.
Yeah, because you have to literally walk with your own soap and rag to the bathroom, you know.
You can never, if you make a mistake and leave the soap inside, when you come back, the dregs they find. But to your point, I spent some time with an aunt of mine in Jonestown, 51 Penn Street. And that yard had 1, 2, 3, 4, there were 4 houses in the yard and a communal bathroom.
That's what you call it,
right?
tenement, yeah.
And the bathroom itself is different from the toilet, you know, because the bathroom now make right against the street side.
3 sheets of zinc.
And it's like them block it up and thing.
Oh,
but whether the run out water run out to the street.
Yes.
And then that water was where you throw your matches stick and then boy play board ass. Yep. Right? When you see you're too young. You see them boy throw too much stick.
Or when it rains, the same gutter.
Yes, the gutter water.
You make a little boat out of your book leaf and you seal it down.
Well, it's the same thing. So but the water let out on the roadside and thing. But we're digressing. Shabba Ranks though took the opportunity. This was him finding his voice because by now is
and he's in his early 20s.
True, and him sounding now as the Shabba that we all came to know. But I think he recognized that he needed to carve out a space in the dancehall for himself. And he started to experiment on the sound system with the explicit lyrics. And get no forward and dance. And the next step is, let's take the chance and put some of these on record. And I think his first tune that came out of that was Niglai Coochie.
Yes. Well, you're not afraid to say it, man.
Niglai Punani.
Niglai Pum Pum. That was the name of the song.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's give a listen to this song.
That was a snippet from one of our episodes of our flagship program, Sunday Scoops. Hop on over to our website at www.yardmedia.com where you can catch the full episode or watch at your leisure by viewing the different segments at your own pace. And if you like the presentations, please do us a favor and invite your friends to share the Sunday Scoops experience. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Visit our online store and support our merchandise. And hey, feel free to share.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.